Chilli Bilimbi cashew cheese. 10 bilimbis washed and patted dry. Chop them roughly. They work well instead of lemons because they're extremely tangy. 1/4 cup soaked cashews. Add the bilimbis. 1 green chilli roughly chopped. Add salt to taste. Himalayan pink salt works well here. Blend until smooth and creamy. Taste a little and adjust the salt as required. Transfer to a clean, dry glass container. It can also be ceramic but not plastic or metal. Cover loosely and allow it to ferment in a warm, dark place. You can ferment for anywhere between 12 to 24 hours depending on how sharp you'd like it to be. After 12 hours, mix it, taste a little and ferment more if you feel the need. Store in the fridge for a week. Beyond that, it turns alcoholic in taste. Enjoy! Connect with me at Veganosaurus.com